What up, crypto warriors? It's your boy Sergeant Crypto, and I'm back at it again. So let's talk about this bear market, man. This flash crash that, since Monday, everything's just been red, a sea of red. Everything's going down. Weak ass people with their weak ass hands selling everything off because you're scared. This is the time to buy, people. A coin that you may have, like or you're supporting. This is the time to pick up more of that coin. All right, but let's get into it, man. Coin market cap, they got rid of 3 exchanges, all right, from Korea, and because of their high price divergence, all right, causing the market to lose 30% of its value. All right, so here we go. This happened on Monday, all right, 10 a.m. This morning we excluded some Korean exchanges in price calculations due to the extreme divergence in prices from the rest of the world and the limited arbitrage opportunity. We are working on better tools to provide users with the averages that are most relevant to them. And I like this response from Leah Nekera. All right, you mean that because Korean demand has pushed up the price, you decided to try and put your finger on the balance and ignore 40% of the market for XRP, because that doesn't smell like market manipulation at all. Some people may agree with it. I'm with the first few responses here that think that basically it's bullcrap. All right, because it's an average anyway. It's going to be an average of the whole world. So you have to take that into consideration, but whatever, right? So let's take a look at, the capital, total market cap, and we hit an all-time high of 835 billion on Sunday. All right, excuse me, I'm so sorry. We hit an all-time high of 835 billion on Sunday. Getting ever so close to that 1 trillion mark. And then, we had a little pullback, a little correction, right? And they said about 10 a.m. I don't know if it's 10 a.m. UTC time or 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or whatever, but sometime they tweeted out about it and made that correction, and boom, we had a big drop. All right. So we pretty much went from, the market pretty much lost $200 billion value. All right, pretty much, right? And it's just caused basically a snowball effect. All right, so you had people with, like I said, a lot of the Mitches with their weak hands started selling everything off, all right, because they got scared out of the market. Because when they woke up on Monday morning, they saw the market was all in red. Oh my God, I'm gonna lose my money, and they started selling shit off, and it's a snowball effect. All right, so that's what happened on Monday, and we never really quite recovered from it. We kind of picked back up a little bit, but here we are right now, still under the $700 billion mark. All right, we had a high volume today, almost $50 billion. And Bitcoin dominance is still pretty low at 34%. So if we go to the sea of red, as you can see, all right, Bitcoin Cash is the only one that's up right now so far. EOS, Tron is down. Tron was having a little controversy today as well on Twitter and other websites. Basically, someone came out and said that Tron's white paper was copied from, it's basically just plagiarized word for word, multiple pages of the white paper from another coin. All right, and that someone sold off $6 billion TRX coins, which was worth $1.2 billion. So they're trying to say that maybe it was Justin Sun. He's the CEO of Tron. All right, one of China's 30 under 30. You know, I follow him on Twitter. You know, he's always tweeting, and the Tron Foundation is always tweeting, and you know, he's always giving updates on what's going on with the coin. So I don't know what to think, but either way, I'm still up on Tron because I got in at such a low price. And if you see my video review of Tron, you would know that I got in really early. All right, but although there's a sea of red, you know, there's a superhero coming to save everyone, and that's just on Monday. Okay, dun, 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 here comes Wall Street. So, according to Meltem Demirours, all right, a digital currency group director, she tweeted, and I quote, "When Wall Street bonuses hit bank accounts on January 15th, I imagine we'll see a crypto buying spree of epic proportions." All right, so, and what do you guys think? Here's the article right here on, nope, that's not it, my bad. This is it, right? Oh, no, still not it. Did I close it out? Oh no, here it is. Whew. Here it is. All right. And she tweeted this back on January 3rd here. All right. Start making its rounds, I guess January 4th. And then, but this article came out yesterday. All right. And so I'll put a link to the article in the description below. But, you know, what do you guys think, man? You know, let's start a conversation about it. You know, leave your thoughts in the comments on, you know, what, you know, you think of, you know, coin market cap, you know, quote unquote manipulating the price, and what this Meltem person is saying. Yeah, Meltem. You know, what do you think she, you know, saying here as far as January 15th, you know, which is just a few days from now. I think that's Monday, right? Martin Luther King Day, when they get their bonuses, if they're going to be, you know, dropping those bonuses in the friggin' crypto market. All right, this is the time to buy, all right, and hold your coin, hodl, as they say in the crypto world. Hodl your coins, man, because the money is going to come, okay, regardless. Even if these people don't throw their bonuses into the crypto currencies, all right, you look at a coin that you like, and you just friggin' hodl that thing. Like that's my goal this year. It's just to hold on to it and ride that ship, whether it freaking rises or falls, all the way to the end, baby. All right, so hodl your coins. Don't be scared. Don't show weak hands. There's always an opportunity. I mean, if you have an opportunity to take profits, take your profits. All right, nobody's saying that. All right, if there's an opportunity to take profits, like, you know, I took some profits from my position in Tron. All right, but now that it's going back down, boom, guess what? I'm getting some more. All right, so there's, you know, tons of coins out there. And if you watch my other video on, you know, a lot of the sleeper coins, I think for 2018, you know, those are some great coins you could probably snatch up too. All right, so man, this is your boy Sergeant Crypto. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to get notified when I upload a new video. And if you're interested in earning a passive income from cryptocurrencies, I have 3 lending platforms. The links are in the description below. It's your boy, Sergeant Crypto, and I'm out. Peace.